Good morning. RVing Sue's here, and I am going to change the gasket in my sewer hose. I ordered these gaskets for under $9 on Amazon, and it comes with two different kinds of gaskets. One is flat on one side and has grooves on the other. Can you see that? The other one has grooves on both sides. I've lost the gasket on my sewer hose. See, there's no gasket there. And let me tell you, they leak without a gasket. So what we're going to do today is take the one that has grooves on both sides and lubricate it with some oil. Some people say Vaseline, but I'll tell you what, Vaseline destroys rubber, so I'm not a fan. And take a screwdriver and push it in. Need two hands to do it. Be right back. Now, you probably don't even need the screwdriver, because I put the oil on here and it just pushes in real nice. And don't worry, I'm not going to cross-contaminate my oil with sewer cooties. Ta-da! I'll just poke it with the screwdriver a little bit just for the heck of it. Just pushing down with the screwdriver just to make sure it's well seated in its groove. Like so. Now I noticed on the other side that the flat part of the gasket is facing up like so. Because I had my package of 8 gaskets and it didn't tell you which one was which or how to put it or anything. So that's why I'm doing this. We'll see if I did it right. Hope so. Got it all hooked up, and I pulled the gray water lever to make sure if there were any leaks that it would only be gray water, and it worked just fine. Yay! A little hard to show you the angle there, the way these pleasureways are built. There's my levers down there. Hang on. See, no leaks. The water's going through. Yay! It's fixed, it's fixed. Costs less than 10 bucks. And I have 8 O-rings. So I can stay fixed for a long time. Hope this helps. Have a good one.